Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a battle simulation and how to do the drilling ground in training ground in Dragonheir Silent Gods. So I made this video for beginner that still confused how to train your team, or how you can do the drill before the actual battle. So let's get started by go to the camp. This is my camp, for example. And as you can see, there are some features here like a forging bench and chart, cooking pot, and also your heroes. And tap this one. This is the dummy. Tap the dummies and go to this feature, drilling ground. So in this feature, you can make a simulation like this, like place your heroes, for example, and make the line up. This one training line up, and also you can make a simulation, challenge duration, monster level, and many more. So please do this training, do this the training ground, a drilling ground battle simulation to master the gameplay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.